Moving hacks to save you money and time. I get it, you may be a seasoned mover, but there are always some obscure yet crucial things that slip through the cracks. I've got your back. Here are some random tips that will make your move smoother than ever. Number 1, take a photo of your electronic setup. Before unplugging your devices, snap a pic of the connections. This will be a lifesaver when it's time to reconnect everything in your new home. Number 2, keep extra cash handy. It's always a good idea to have cash on hand for emergencies, tipping movers, or any last-minute purchases. Number 3, pack a first night box. Fill it with essentials like toiletries, a change of clothes, and important documents. This way, you won't have to dig through dozens of boxes to find your toothbrush. Number 4, update your address in advance. Don't forget to update your address with banks, insurance providers, magazine subscriptions. Also, forward your mail through the post office to avoid any lost letters or packages. And last but not least, number 5, label your boxes with the rooms they belong in. Color code or use a numbering system to make the unloading process a breeze. Moving can be a wild ride, but these hidden gems will help guide you through the process like a pro. Don't forget to follow me for more real estate tips and tricks. And by the way, if you or anyone you know are looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, give us a call. We're happy to help.